How to withdraw on Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks. So, in order to withdraw money from your Prizepicks account or cash out, you'll have to basically meet the playthrough requirements first of all. Now, what playthrough requirement means is basically, let's say you deposit $10 and get matched in an additional $10 in promo funds. Now you'll have to pay a total. Now you'll have to play a total of $20 worth of lineups, and then you are free to withdraw your winnings. So that is basically what playthrough requirement means. So you'll have to first of all meet the requirement. Now once you've done that, in order to withdraw, you can request a minimum withdrawal of $10. Now in order to withdraw, you'll have to first of all make sure you are signed into your account. After that, navigate to the settings and tap on the option view all options. Now once you've done that, you can see the option request withdrawal, which is right over here. After that, simply enter the amount you'd like to take out or cash out or withdraw. And once you've done that, if you qualify for instant withdrawals, you can simply tap on it. But if you don't qualify for instant withdrawals, you can simply choose the other option, which will first of all be reviewed by a qualified specialist. And once you've done that, you will be basically able to withdraw your money from Prizepicks. So that is basically how you withdraw money from Prizepicks. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.